Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you control the linked email or phone. This is the only safe path to regain access. Next, note your Xbox gamertag and the Microsoft account email that ties to the console. Once done, find any 2FA device or recovery codes you may have saved. These speed up verification. If you cannot access the linked email, pause and prepare account purchase receipts or other proof of ownership before moving to the recovery request. Now proceed to official recovery channels. Use Roblox's account recovery form and fill every field precisely. Username, last password you remember, and account creation details, because accuracy matters. If the issue stems from Xbox sign-in, use Microsoft's Xbox recovery path as well, since platform links can block direct resets. Then attach proof of ownership, recent purchase receipts, transaction ID, or console serial if available. Finally, submit and note when support verifies ownership, follow their secure reset link and create a strong password. Use a phrase with mixed characters and at least 12 characters. Once you regain access, enable two-step verification and update your recovery email and phone to ones you control. Make sure Xbox and Roblox show the same verified contact. If support can't verify you right away, request escalation and gather additional proof. Keep communication records and remain patient while they complete the review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.